Hello and welcome to the Workload Automation channel. In this video, we will discover how to perform the deployment of the Workload Automation on an Azure AKS cluster with an SQL Managed Instance. The first step is to create a new database instance. You only need to choose a name and set user and passwords. Make a brief review and then press the Create button. Now create a new namespace. To be able to pull the Workload Automation images from the entitled registries, create the pull secret. Then we need another secret for storing the console and database instance passwords. At this point, we can customize the deployment. Put the database user and the endpoint of your cloud database instance in the values.yaml file. To retrieve the database endpoint, go to the Azure portal and copy its source to the clipboard. Change the DB type to MSQL and set the table spaces as primary. Do the same for the server, save the file and run the helm install command. Now, in about 10 minutes, your Workload Automation environment will be up and running. That was it. For more information, check the links in the description. If you enjoyed this kind of content, subscribe to the channel.